Good morning! It is Sunday and today I'm going to get ready for the week ahead. The first thing that I'm going to be doing this morning is actually heading out to some farmers markets out in Leslieville. I've never been to these ones before, so I have no idea what to expect, but it is a stunning day. There's literally not a cloud in the sky. Yesterday was really warm. Today feels a little cooler, but I think I should be fine in a long sleeve shirt and my trench coat because it's a little lighter than any of the other coats that I have. And so I'm gonna go and do that. Probably pick up some groceries, food things. I really want some flowers, so I'm hoping that this market has some flowers. If not, I will definitely be picking something up on the way home. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of planning, organizing, and then this afternoon I'm heading out to pick up a pair of shoes for my Halloween costume because it's Halloween at the end of the week and I'm so excited. So I've been working on my costume, getting that all organized, and yeah, we're just gonna have a really good Sunday. This is my outfit for the day. I've got my black Longchamp tote so I can put groceries and whatnot into it. I also have black jeans, a black bodysuit, my trench coat, and then just my white sneakers. I just realized though I want to go and put some rings on my fingers. I've been feeling a bit bare without my rings lately. It's weird. I'm not usually a big ring wearer, but I feel in the last couple of days that I haven't been wearing them. I just want to put them on. Just finished up at the markets. They were so cute. They had lots of fresh produce. There was only one little vendor with some flowers and I didn't love anything, so I'm gonna pick some flowers up on the way home. Right now I'm just gonna end up going down Gerrard Street and going to Ardennes because I want to see if they have any little extra pieces for my Halloween costume. So I'm gonna do that and then I might make my way to, like, I guess supermarkets and get the rest of the things that I need to get today. I picked up some flowers. I have a few groceries as well. I didn't really purchase anything from the markets other than a gozleme because I haven't had one in ages and it was amazing. I had chicken, spinach, and cheese and it was so good just to sit in the sun and like enjoy that. And I love walking around markets and whatnot, but there just wasn't anything grocery wise that I wanted to get and they didn't have a very big selection of flowers, so I just picked up this one from the supermarket. I'm going to unpack all of this and get changed into like gym clothing because I need to clean. Like, look at these poor flowers. They're so dead. I haven't bought flowers in a few weeks. Deal with that. Get these ones into the vase and just clean and organize myself for the week. So that's what we're doing. I only picked up a few things because I don't really need too much, but I got a couple of these meal things that I was talking about the other day. They're just so easy to have in the freezer when I'm being lazy. I got a couple of magic erasers because I'd like to use them on my shoes and just in the general cleaning of my house. And I don't know what happened to my last couple. I have some tomatoes, some olive oil, I have some cheese, some ham. I also grabbed an avocado. I haven't had an avocado in months. I don't know why, but I decided to pick one up. And then these beautiful flowers as well. I love the purple mixed with the orange. It just is such a good color combination right now. So I'm gonna put this away and then I'm going to continue on with cleaning the kitchen because I have a sink full of dishes and the dishwasher needs to be unpacked. Kitchen is done. My flowers are so pretty. I don't love them right now. I think I need to rearrange them a little bit and fan them out because they're really kind of stuck together, but I will maybe do that this afternoon. I just took out the recycling. I still have to take out the rubbish that's over there, but I'm not quite done with it yet. And in the meantime, I am gonna go and put on a load of washing. I do want to get in and clean the living room as well. I just want to freshen it up in here. I did actually plan out all of my content for the week yesterday. I was just in a bit of a mood and I just wanted to get a start on planning the week. So that's already done. Don't have to do that today. I do want to have a look at my calendar in a little bit as well, but I just need to freshen up my space so that I can go into the week feeling fresh. I've just packed up the heater because I no longer need it, and I'm actually seeing Liz tomorrow, so I'll be able to give that back to her. And I think that might be the the washing machine winding down so I can hang out the washing. The next thing that I need to do is just check my calendar and just make sure I know what it is that I am doing this week. Just do a little bit of admin, all that sort of stuff, and then I will head out in a little bit to pick up my new shoes. We're up to my favorite time of the day. I'm going to head out and pick up these shoes for my costume, which I'm so excited about. They're so pretty, and not only are they for my costume, but they're definitely the type of shoe that I would wear normally anyway. I'm getting them off a lady from Facebook Marketplace. Apparently they're brand new, never been worn. They're from Lulu's and I'm only paying 30 bucks for them. I love Facebook Marketplace at the moment. I've been selling a bunch of stuff on there, but it's also the place that I go to when I want to buy something. I go there first because you just never know what kind of deal you're gonna get or whether you can find the exact thing that you're looking for, brand new, never been worn, and just at a better price. So I love it for that reason. I always go there first just to have a bit of a look and see what's available. And I found these shoes and they're just perfect. And so I'm gonna go and get them, and fingers crossed they actually fit. These are my new shoes. Are they not just the most perfect shoes you've ever seen? They're so cute. I am so excited that I managed to find these on Facebook. I don't know if Lulu still has this exact style, but they do have similar ones, and I'm so happy. They are perfect for my costume, and honestly, they're just perfect for my life in general. It's actually the next morning. I just thought I would show you the shoes and everything in proper daylight, because by the time I got home last night, it was really dark, and it's just so much better in daylight. They're so pretty. I do just need to get a little insert thingy for under the toes. They're a 6.5, and I'm usually a 6.5 exactly, but I've never had Lulu shoes before, so they are just like a teeny bit too big. But I think once I have one of those like padded inserts under the ball of my foot, it should be fine. But these are the shoes that are going to be part of my costume. So I'm going to go as a creepy doll, and I want my entire costume to be pink. So I've got the shoes. I picked up some pink contact lenses, but the contact lenses are not in here. I actually don't know where they are. Give me a sec. I got them, I'm not sure if you can see, but they are a very light pink contact lens, which I think is gonna look really cool for the costume. I have found a little bit of Pinterest inspiration, and I think I'm gonna draw like the cracked doll thing on my face, like the effect. My poor wig, which has now been crumpled up into a little piece. I picked this one up from Amazon. So I left my costume just a little bit too late, and I did all of the figuring it out on Thursday. So I purchased this amazing pink wig off Amazon on Thursday. It arrived on Friday. And then to go with it, I found this amazing puffy dress and I got it at the Bay. And I bought this on Thursday. It arrived on Saturday, which is amazing. And it was on an insane discount. I think I only paid 30 bucks for it, but it's a nice big poofy pink dress, which I think is perfect for the outfit. I actually have some stockings sitting right there on the kitchen counter. I tried to dye them pink last night. I got them from Spirit of Halloween because I went for a massive walk on Saturday around the city. And I got them from Spirit of Halloween and they were white. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try and dye them with food coloring. It did not work, so I'm going to pick up some actual dye from Michael's this afternoon. But yeah, so I've got the pink dress. I'm gonna have the pink stockings. I have the pink shoes and the pink wig, the pink contact lenses, and I'm hoping this Friday it all comes together for the Halloween party. I am super excited about it. I'll definitely be sharing pictures and whatnot on Instagram, although I'm thinking I might vlog on Friday because I'm going to be super busy that day, having a very productive day, and we can get ready for my Halloween costume, which I'm so excited about. I'm just really vibing the pink and the puffiness, and what's really interesting is that the dress and the shoes are so on trend right now that I could actually get away with wearing them again. So that is the start of my Halloween costume. We'll have to see how it comes together at the end of the week. I also need to do a headband, and you will have seen the headbands with the bows on them at Den, but I just didn't think they were big enough. Like, I want a really big bow, so I think today I may also go to Michael's and buy some ribbon and make my own as well, and like hot glue gun it to just a regular plain headband. But I'm so excited about the shoes. I'm so excited about the whole costume. I think it's gonna be really cool. And yeah, that wraps up this video. So I will see you very soon.